Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you're facing a Steam fatal error message that it says that Steam needs to be online to update, so this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix this error if you face it. So first thing you have to do is you have to open your Steam account and log into your account. Now you have to simply click on this Steam icon here at the top left corner and go to the settings. Now go to the downloads. Now from here you can find clear cache option. In this clear download cache, now you have to simply click on clear cache button and simply confirm that, and it will shut down the Steam, and you have to reopen the Steam and check if it's work or not. In case if it's not working, then you have to do is simply click on this star icon here and simply search for Steam here. Now when you have searched for the app, right click on it and simply click on open file location, where you can find Steam. Again right click on the Steam and click on this open file location, and you can find the executable app, the file here of Steam. Now you have to do is right click on it and go to the properties. Now when you are properties, you can find the compatibility. Now make sure that you have click on this run this program in compatibility mode and click on this Windows this drop down and select the Windows 8, and make sure you have turned on this run this program as an administrator. So turn it on and simply click on apply and OK, and then try to use your Steam application. And if the issue persists, then you can do is simply click on tab on your Windows plus R button on your keyboard. Now you can find the run here, or you can run command here, or you can simply search for run here, and you can also find the run command. Now from here you have to do is add the %sign local app data %site. Here it is. Now simply click on OK, and from here you have to search for the Steam file here. So I'm going to search for Steam file. So here it is. Now once you have got the Steam file, you have to right click on it and delete the Steam file from here, and try to open the Steam file, and it will just re-download the additional file, refreshed additional file without the encrypted files. Now another thing you can do is you can go to the console panel. And from here you have to go to the network and sharing center. So you have to click on it, and here you can find change adapter settings. Click on that and choose that internet connection that you are right now on. So for example, if you are on Ethernet cable, you can find this, or if you are on Wi-Fi, you can find this. So right now I'm on Ethernet cable, so right click on it, and from here you can find properties. Simply click on it and make sure that you have checked this Internet Protocol version 4. So when you have click on it, you have to simply click on properties and make sure you have select this use the following DNS server address. When you check this dot here, then you have to add preferred DNS server 8888 and alternate DNS server is 8844. This is most stable DNS server that is actually the Google DNS address here. So you can use that and see if this will help you to solve this issue. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.